Exercise 2.5, Problem 7, Discussion. Let's read the problem. A geometric series consists of 4 terms and has a positive common ratio. The sum of the first 2 terms is 9 and sum of the last 2 terms is 36. Find the series. Okay, let's mark what is given. As usual, this is geometric series. It has 4 terms. It has only 4 terms. It has a positive common ratio. There's hidden information here, so it's very important you note it. Positive common ratio. The sum of the first 2 terms is 9. The sum of the last 2 terms is 36. Okay, so what it means, you have 4 numbers only. 4 terms. So T1, T2, T3, T4. T1 plus T2 is 9. The last 2 terms is T3 and T4. So T3 plus T4 is 36. Okay. T1 plus T2 equal to 9. T3 plus T4 is 36. And positive common ratio. Actually, I should write here R is greater than 0. Okay. So that way we are getting it complete. And what are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate the sum of the find the series. Sorry, we are supposed to find the series. So find the series means what? You should know the value of A and then R. Once you know A and R, you can write the series which is A, AR square, AR cube, goes on, right? So that's what they mean by saying find the series. We need to calculate A and R. So this is what we need to calculate. So there is no formula for this. This is Tn. Let's just write the formula, but I don't think it will be of any use, but let's write it. Formula is Tn equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. A we don't know. We don't know R. Few n's we know. Okay. And Tn is also not known because it's only sum of 2 Tn's is known. We don't know individually Tn, right? So I don't think this formula is of any use for us. Okay. Now, what can we do? Let's assume the first term and the common ratios are. So substitute those numbers here. The series will be T1 will be A, T2 will be AR. So A plus AR equal to 9 because you have 2 unknowns. As I said, we have 2 unknowns, A and R, which needs to be calculated. So you have to have 2 equations. They have given 2 sets of information. So if you convert these sets of information into A and R, an equation in AR, you will be able to solve it. So that's how we are trying to do. So what are we trying to do? So substitute the values of T and T1 and T2 in terms of A and R. So this will be A, this is AR. So A plus AR equal to 9. This is what? This will be AR square. And this will be AR cubed, right? T4 is AR cubed. So then again you get an equation in terms of A and R, which if you solve these 2 equations, you will be able to get the values of AR and R. Once you have values of A and R, you can go ahead and write the geometric series. So substitute A. Okay, now T1 is A, T2 is AR, right? So T1 plus T2 equal to 9, which means A plus AR equal to 9. So you are getting an equation in A and R. The same you do for the other T3 plus T4. T3 is AR squared. I hope you are getting this clear, right? Tn is A into n to the power of, A into R to the power of n minus 1. So A into R n minus 1 is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So T4 will be A R to the power of n minus 1. That is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So AR squared plus AR cubed equal to 36. That's what they say. So you get the second equation in terms of A and R. So we need to find a way to solve the equation which comes out of step 2 and step 3 and get the values of A and R. Once you get the values of A and R, you can write the geometric series using A and R, which is A, AR, AR squared, AR cubed. Okay. So let me stop, or I suggest to stop the video here and try to work this problem on your own. And on completion, please come back and check your working against our solution. So what's the solution? Let T1 be A, T2 by AR, T3 is AR squared, T4 be AR cubed. We have assumed the first term to be A and the common ratio to be R. So what's the first condition? Sum of the first two terms is 9. That is t1 plus t2 equal to 9, which means a plus ar equal to 9. And you can take a commonly out. So it becomes a into 1 plus r equal to 9. What's the second condition? The sum of the last two terms, that is t3 plus t4 is 36. So you'll get ar square. Okay, t3 is ar square, right? And t4 is ar cubed. So sum of this is equal to 36. You can take ar square commonly out. So ar square into 1 plus r will be 36. Now if you look at these two equations, 1 divided by 2 will cancel off this 1 by r. And a will also get cancelled. Then you will be left with r square, which means you can calculate r. So dividing 2 by 1, you get ar square into 1 plus r divided by a into 1 plus r, okay, equal to 36 divided by 9. So as I explained, this and this will get cancelled. A and a will get cancelled. So you'll be left with r square on the left hand side. And 36 by 9 is 4. That is 36 by 9 equal to 4. So you will get r square equal to 4, or r equal to plus r minus 2, and r equal to 2 because you cannot take minus 2 because it is told in the problem that the value of r is positive. It has a positive common ratio. Got it? So r equal to minus 2 is rejected. So we are taking r equal to 2. Substitute r equal to 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? I have written it here. A into 1 plus r equal to 9. So which means a into 1 plus 2 equal to 9. 3, right? So a will be 9 divided by 3. A equal to 3. Now you have the value of a as well as r. So what is the series? A 3 plus ar 3 2s are 6 plus ar square. R square is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. Then ar cube. 2 cube is 8. So 8 3s are 24. Okay. So it goes on. So this is the geometric series, generic form. Okay. So let me repeat the key points. So all you need to do is write the common, assume the a to be the first term and r to the common ratio. And write the four terms. That is t1 equal to a, t2 equal to ar, t3 equal to ar square, t4 is ar cubed. Okay. Then substitute these values. T1 plus T3 equal to I think whatever value is given. No? So what is that? T1 plus T3 is a into a plus ar. Then similarly you get another equation for T3 plus T4. Solve these two equations for a and r. Once you have the value of a and r, you can go ahead and write the geometric progression. Okay. So I hope you got the problem right, and if not, please check where you have gone wrong and please make suitable correction. If you have not understood the concept, please revisit the discussion part of the video again. Thanks for watching this video.